All right, thank you for tuning in the channel today. Today, as you know, Banks has released the rear differential cover. I've got that ordered. We're gonna do a quick open box on that thing and get it installed. So let's get started. Okay, so these were released last week. I ordered the black and milled rear differential cover. I did talk to Banks, and you do need to check your owner's manual. On the single wheel 3500, it requires a 7590. I'm going to run the AMSOIL, which you can see I have here. The packets are just hard to get right now, but I was able to get the quarts. And then because I'm anti-slip differential, I'm also going to run the slip lock that they provide too for the treatment. So let's get this box open. Let's see what this thing looks like. Okay, now we're down to the final box here. As you'd expect from Banks, really good packaging quality and a really nice differential cover. You can see it's built really well. This thing weighs a few pounds. It's definitely solid. It's got the drain plug, the fill plug, and a sight glass, which is nice. And I guess we're ready. Let's get this thing installed. Okay, so first thing you need to do is get you a pan that'll handle about 5 quarts. That's what this thing holds. Get that under there and get your little impact. Start getting the bolts out. I can't do it two-handed, so let me get all these out real quick. Leave 1 or 2 in, then you can pop it and let it drain, and then we'll remove the cover. Okay, so now I've got the cover removed. I'm going to clean up the surface a little bit. And it's a reusable gasket that comes on this one, but you're going to use an O-ring on the Banks. Sorry, I had my hand in the way. So yeah, let me just get the surface cleaned up and we'll get the new cover ready to install. Okay, so we've got the cover tightened down. It's 12 foot-pounds on every one of those. You go around and torque them. We're going to be about half sight glass is what we're looking for. First thing I'm going to do is put the AMSOIL slip lock in. 4 ounces treats 2 to 4 quarts. That'll be good enough. We'll go ahead and add this 4 ounces in there, and then we'll add the gear oil. Okay, so that's the finished installed product. You can tell you got your filter on the top. Now you can actually see your level. I'm running downhill a little bit. It took exactly right at 4.5 of those quarts, but I also added the limited slip, so that's probably where the rest of it went. If you didn't add the limited slip, it probably would have been right at 5. But that's basically what it looks like. So just like to say thanks for watching the video today on the Banks differential cover install. Please hit that like and subscribe down the bottom right hand corner. We'll catch you on the next video.